Hi guys, I'm coming to y'all with a video on how to prepare and package your press-on nail sizing kits. I do it two ways. It's whether you want the tips going to the mail or you want the ruler going to the mail to size your nails. So I do it two ways, but this one here is if you want to actually ship your clients tips instead of a measuring tool. Okay, first of all, I got some things that you're gonna need to prepare your kit. You can do this however you want. I decided to use this mirror backing card that I bought on Amazon. I'll leave the description in. I'll leave where I purchased this in the description box, which was Amazon, and I'll leave the link. You're gonna need that. How big you want it, whether you want to go straight or you want to go it that way. I think I prefer it having 5 going that way, 5 going that way, instead of having all 10 sizes going straight across. It makes your package a little bit more bulkier and it fits in the package more nicer. So I decided to go with the square instead of the rectangle. Sizing kit thing that I had made out of a business card. I do have a video on that. If y'all like to see it, I'll link it down below. It's just your 10 fingers, your left and the right, and you use your marker or your pencil. Write down the sizes that you pick from the tips. Press-on nails that I use for my press-on nails are appraised. I just think they look so professional. They just look nice to me. So that's what I have. I'll move it over here. I'll put it on a black thing so you can actually see the tips here. You're gonna need what you're gonna send it with. I'm gonna use a bubble mailer. This one right here, small one. I think this is like a 4x8. Your label stickers, if you have that, or you can print stuff out or whatever. Use a label maker, however you want to do it. And I got these little plastic bags that I'm gonna put it inside. Okay. Also, you're gonna need some pair of scissors because you're gonna need some tape to tape this down on. You can use what they call it, those little Kambaza bags. I think they call Kambanza bags. You can use that instead of using a card, and you can just put them all in there. But they might get scratched up and stuff if they're rolling around in that little bag. So I prefer to stick them down on the card here. So it's all of your preference. I'm just showing you the way I decided to do it. So I have the adhesive tape here. And this stuff I buy on Amazon. I think you can get like 3 of them in a roll. I bought the slender. This stuff is sticky. I bought the skinny one, 6mm width on this tape. I like to wear gloves when I do my press-on nails so you won't get fingerprints on everything. But when you're dealing with this tape, you know, gloves ain't gonna work. Can't even get this apart from the 3. But yeah, it comes 3 of them in a row on Amazon. So I'm trying to get it apart, which is it's hard. So bear with me, guys. And that's how that looks. Okay, this is very, very sticky. So I don't know. This got stuck on it, which is not a good thing. So like I said, I bought the ones that have a skinny ridge. I don't like the fat ones because it shows too much in your product. When you're trying to package it neat, nice and neat, you can see the tape and stuff. So I don't want to see the tape as much. So if you want to use, I would use tweezers so your hands won't stick to it. Use a pair of tweezers like this. And size it up how you like it. And then after you do this part, you can go ahead and put your gloves back on if you like. You might have a reflection in there, but guys, bear with me. So you want to go with the length that you want. And I kind of want this in the middle of the nail. Like so. So I might have to do it by right there. Okay, you do the same thing for the next nails. Let's see what I got here. Okay. Okay, and that's that. Now, if I was out, if when I was doing this, you probably wouldn't want to go all the way to the edge. You probably want to cut it off a little bit like I have on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up if I can. But you probably don't want to go to the edge because then that's going to stick to other stuff in your packaging and you don't want that. I'm going to go ahead and cut that little piece off there. And cut this little piece off here. And a little bit on this side. This is the same paper that I use for my my press-on nails when I ship them too. This is what I put the press-on nails on. The ones that I already finished decorating and everything, I put it on these. On this cord back in. I think it's really nice. Okay. Then you just go ahead and peel this up. Make sure that it's down good because I still got some air bubbles in there. Okay, you go ahead and pull that up. Then you're going to go ahead and get your nails here. I have all my nails here. I hope that y'all can see that. This one comes from, this is a coffin long. You go from 00 to 9. And with these numbers, they're upside down. So you would have to put them like this for the customer to actually read the numbers correctly. So. I like them on here except for just tossed in a bag because it actually already have them lined up and they can do it one at a time except for going through that bag trying to figure out which one is which. This one's already laid out for you, so that's why I prefer it this way instead of just putting them all in like a little bag floating around. Ooh, they stick pretty good. This tape. Now, that is how I do it. Very neat, very satisfying to me. Okay, it goes with that. You got your 11 nails, or you might have 10 nails. You got your cord. Have your little bag here. I also bought these on Amazon as well. Okay, the tape side there, so you actually want to go ahead and put your nails there. That's there. And if you have a business card, you might as well just go ahead and put that in there. You have a business card, you can put that in there. And then you close it up. Protect it, it won't be laying on opposite side. Oh, you know what? I forgot. You seal that. You put your little sticker, what sticker you're going to use. Oh, these gloves here. Hope I got that on straight. It's not on straight, guys. That's better. Seal your package up. And put it the opposite way where you want your packages to stay upside, whatever, because most of the time when they're mailers, they probably have it this way where they have a label there, so you want it to sit it that way. And you just seal your package, put your label on there, and you're done. That's it. Very simple, very cost efficient. You don't have to go all out for this kind of packaging for, you know, this. And that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.